Hello guys, welcome back to the Wander Travelers. Today we are in Wayanad and in this resort called the Coffee Greens. I know I'm wearing a t-shirt which says beach and all, but this is a mountain place. A lot of people ask me when you're coming to Wayanad and all, where do you go? How do you navigate? Now this video is all about how you can go to Wayanad and which all places that you need to visit. Before that, I'll take you a tour of this Coffee Greens resort. This resort is actually 20 kilometers away from the town, but which is very peaceful. You can see a lot of greeneries and birds. If you're a person who likes to enjoy some peace and all, this is a good resort. Food is very good. It's like a homely food you can get. The taste is like, it's not like what you get from in other hotels and all. It's very nice. So coming back to a point, that is where to visit in Wayanad. So there are so many places in Wayanad now. The only problem is that the localites are so used to it. If you ask them, you will not get more information. But in this video, I'm going to cover everything, which all places you should visit, which all places have long queue, which all places are must visit places. The best time to visit Wayanad will be after August till January. After that, it'll get hot and a little bit humid, just like any place in Kerala. And September to November is the weather will be good. November, December and January, the weather will be amazing. So that time, if you're coming and staying in Wayanad, will be good. So the first place that you should visit is a Karapuzha Dam. There is something which is very special, that is Kerala's longest zip line. So we'll be going there. They also have other rides like the Space Tower, Twister, zip line, giant swing, flying chairs. So many things are there. So this is a must visit place. The name of the place is called Karapuzha Dam. So on the other side of this garden is where you will be able to see the Karapuzha Dam. But unfortunately, right now, because of the maintenance that is happening, they're not letting anyone go to the other side. But yes, we will be going for the zip line. So during that time, I'll show you the dam as well. Hi, Barno.
Hello.
This way cycling. So we'll be traveling for 2 kilometers to the zipline spot, and from there we'll be doing the zipline. Yeah, so we have reached the place. So it's like almost 2 kilometers away from that place we took the ticket. So if you can see over there, that's the park over there, and this is a dam, and that's a zip line. So the Karapuzha Dam area, it has other rides as well. So this is a twister, and that one is a space drop. So it'll take you to the top and drop. And that's another ride. And this is also something which is very good. This is basically, it's called the space swing, giant swing. It's an 85 feet high swing, and you can see how they will be swinging.
Io ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞു ഇപ്പൊ പോവാക്കി
So how was the experience?
It is really good.
The pick is so nice and the drop is amazing. ഇത് ലൂസ് ആവേ
അയ്യോ വിളിച്ചു പോവും തന്നെ ഇത് കഴിയുമ്പോ ഓക്കെ ഇപ്പോഴാണ് അല്ല ഇതുമല്ല
The giant swing, and you can also see there is a watchtower there. To see the entire dam, you can go there and see it. They have maintained this place very nicely. An hour and a half here in the Karapuzha Dam and the park, and it is always recommended to come early in the morning because you can get on the rides much faster and the rush will be very less. So in Wayanad there is a very special food joint. It's called the Wilton, and this is a must visit place. They have a lot of food varieties. Now I'm going to show you what kind of food that they have. This place is really famous for the wide variety of Kerala Arab fusion cuisine. First order was a non-vegetarian meals which has 11 curries and 3 non-veg dishes plus 1 payasam. Followed by the beef bone mandi, which is very famous in this hotel. We also ordered a special beef biryani which is trending in the Instagram reel. Now why it is trending is because of this. The meat was so tender and it was super delicious. We also ordered the Kerala's famous chatti chor, which consists of beef, chicken, fish, egg and all the other vegetable curries. We also tried the special beef and parota, which was absolutely amazing. The next dish that we ordered was called the kadal kata. In English, it's translated to sea breeze. And it had a lot of items in it, especially seafood. And for the dessert, we had the very famous Puttakutti ice cream, which is a must try in this place. So in the evening, you can come visit the Phantom Rock. So over there is a Phantom Rock. It has an amazing view. The only thing is that the road that comes to this Phantom Rock is kind of steep. So if you are a good driver, then only take your vehicle inside. So this is a view from the Phantom Rock. There is a small pond with a lotus inside. Looks so sweet. You can do a small trekking over here, but be very careful. These are very slippery rocks, especially during rain time. It's not recommended to come here. But that's another view of another mountain. You can also see some places from there as well. Oof. Huh?